Good morning, students. Today we are going to study a new topic, that is homophones and homographs. Now let us see what is homophone. The term homophone comes from Greek. Homo means same, phone means sound or voice. Combining them, it becomes words having same sound. So the word homophone means same sound. In English, there are words that have same sound but different meaning and different spellings. So homophones are the words that sound same but have different meaning and different spellings, like pair, pair. Let us see few examples of homophones. Male, M-A-I-L, means letters you receive. Male, M-A-L-E, a man or the opposite of female. Don't they sound same? Yes, they do, but the meanings and the spellings are totally different. M-A-I-L means letters you receive. So here the sentence will be like, I need to check my mail. M-A-L-E, a man. So the sentence will be like, the women's basketball team has a male coach. Sun. S-U-N, sun, is a star at the center of our solar system. So the sentence you can form is like, the sun is shining. S-O-N, son, a boy in relation to his parents. So you can form a sentence like, my son is 4 months old. Eye, E-Y-E. Eye is a part of our body that allow us to see. So I can form a sentence like, my eye hurts. Another word is eye. I is used by a speaker to refer himself or herself. So I can say, I am a teacher. See, S-E-E. See is an action of perceiving with the eyes. So the sentence will be like, I can see you. Another word is see, S-E-A. Sea is a large lake. So we can form a sentence, I live by the sea. Hair, H-A-I-R. Hair is a thread-like strands growing from the skin of humans and animals. So you can form a sentence like, she has a long hair. Another word is hare, H-A-R-E. Hare is a mammal which looks like large rabbits. So you can form a sentence like, there is a hare in the garden. Now let us see what is homographs. The term homograph comes from Greek. Homo means same, graphs means writing. So combining them, it becomes words having same writing, that is same spellings. So homographs are words that may or may not sound same but have the same spelling with a different meaning. For example, train, T-R-A-I-N. In this picture, you can see two different sentences. First, train is arriving. So here, train indicates a transportation facility. In second sentence, he trains the students. Here, trains means to teach. A teacher is teaching to his students. So you can see we have used a single word, that is train, which has two different meanings. So the spelling is same but the meaning is totally different. L-I-V-E. This word can be pronounced in two ways, either live or live. Let's look at the sentence. I'm watching live show. Here live means something that is happening at the moment. Let's have a look at the second sentence. I live in Mumbai. Here live means to stay in a particular place. As you can see, this word have two different meaning, two different pronunciation. T-E-A-R. Even this word can be pronounced in a two way, tear and tear. Depend on the sentence. Let's have a look. Don't tear the papers. Here tear means to rip. Tom had tears in his eyes. Here tears means to cry. Chest, chest. I have an old chest. Here chest means a large strong box used for storage. He is having a chest pain. Here chest is a front surface of a person's body. Capital, capital. Capital. Delhi is the capital of India. Here capital means administrative center of a country. Let's look at the second sentence. I have no capital to invest. Here capital means wealth. Fair, fair. She is fair. Here fair means complexion. Tomorrow I will go to the fair. Here fair means an event or a carnival. Let's have a quick revision. Homophones. Homophones are words that sound alike but they have different meanings and different spellings. Homographs. Homographs are words that may or may not sound alike but have different meaning with the same spelling. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.